Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x80242020 on Windows PC. And let's get started. So the first thing I recommend you guys doing is off the bat just go ahead and just restart your computer, because you never know, that could always fix the issue. So go ahead and just restart it. You can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is go ahead and open up the Xbox app itself. Now, once you have the app open, what I recommend doing is just go ahead and go to the top left where your name is, click on it. You're just going to go down and you're going to sign out of your account. Once you're done signing in, just go ahead and sign back out. And what you can also do is, once you're done with that, go ahead and click on Show Queues. So this will basically see if there are any updates available for the app. If there are, go ahead and update the app, or maybe if it's like an individual game you're having an issue with, like for example Roblox, just go ahead and like update the app as well. Now, once you're done with that, the final method I recommend doing is simply just delete Xbox from the app, or Xbox, and then go ahead and just reinstall it, because that way it will be installed with no issues whatsoever. It will be the latest update and everything will be working fine. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.